Welcome to our review of the Hiseeu 4K 8MP Wi-Fi surveillance camera with dual lens, 4x digital zoom, AI human detect, ONVIF compatibility, and wireless outdoor security features. Cut to footage of the camera's design and features. In this video, we'll dive into the capabilities of this advanced surveillance camera, designed to enhance your security and monitoring needs. Whether you're a homeowner looking to safeguard your property or a business owner in need of reliable surveillance, the Hiseeu camera offers a comprehensive solution. Transition to discussing key features. Firstly, let's talk about the impressive 4K 8MP resolution, ensuring crystal clear video quality for capturing every detail. The dual lens setup provides a wider field of view, allowing you to monitor larger areas with ease. Showcase the AI human detect feature in action. One of the standout features is the AI human detect technology, which intelligently distinguishes between human movement and other objects, reducing false alarms and providing accurate notifications when activity is detected. Highlight the PTZ and 4x digital zoom capabilities. Moreover, with PTZ pan tilt zoom functionality and 4x digital zoom, you can remotely control the camera's movement and zoom in for a closer look, all accessible through the convenient wireless connectivity. Discuss compatibility and installation ease. The camera also supports ONVIF protocol, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of third-party devices and software, enhancing its flexibility and usability. Installation is straightforward, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers. Summarize benefits and wrap up. In summary, the Hiseeu 4K 8MP Wi-Fi surveillance camera is a feature-packed solution for anyone seeking reliable outdoor security and monitoring. Stay tuned as we explore its performance in various real-world scenarios and provide our detailed impressions. End with a call to action for viewers to stay tuned for the full review. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.